Camo Cosmos. But first, let's look at this one. Yeah, we're done there. Camo Cosmos. But we're not gonna go there. We're gonna go to Lost Galaxies. And do these two areas. And you can't blame me when I want to do ghouls and bots first. You cannot blame me. Ugh. Okay, you don't do anything. Oh, what's this? Got ya. It is a kind of a nice area to hide one. Nope. Screw you. Anything outside? Nope. But the bridge will come to life and haunt me. Oh no. Hey, let him go! Is this dynamite? No, but it's a light bulb that'll scare a tree. Okay, now... oh no, there's multiple places. But which way leads to which? Oh, you troll! I'm not gonna lie, that scared me. Oh, but this is not the way I wanted to go. That's where I had to go. Aha! A purple knight? Fragile knight. Relieved that they remembered to put on underwear. Weird. Okay. Oh no. Alright, who's next? You, apparently. Aha! Anything else? No? Are you... that's not fair. I'll be fair this time. I feel there's something else in here. Or not. Wait, really? There's nothing here? Oh, brother. Jerk. Whoa, no way! Oh, this is sick! Sorry, I just had to take another. Gotcha. Eternal Night. Make no bones about it, they're a true hero. I think that was from Medieval. Is what's coming to my mind anyway. Oh cool, we still got the first one somehow, and wow. Did someone just scream my name? Nope. Oh, dang it! I forgot that was an evil coin, my bad. Yeah, the way by jumping. Sorry that I annoyed you guys, I just had to blow it. Okay, I think I'm just missing one spot. I think, anyway. Wait. Screw you guys, I'm getting the last puzzle piece. Okay, is this some kind of game with the light bulb? Because if it was, I still beat him to it. Now, where's the last guy? Ecto Gang! Oh. Oh wow, this is a weird mechanic. Oh, I gotta shoot them, my bad. Oh. Gotcha. Oh boy. Got him. Pyramid Head? Impractical Butcher. Heavy is the head that wears the pyramid. I didn't think Pyramid Head was gonna be in this. That's sick. And aw, kitty. We got them all, boys. Yeah, whatever, I didn't care. I get too excited over the dumbest thing. Or the silliest thing, not dumb. Alright, that's 5 more. Now there's just 1 more. 2 more we need. And Furnace Fever has what we need. That was not a rhyme, that was the same word. I feel so stupid. Seriously? The volcano caught a fever? Is that what I'm looking at here? That's a yes. Oh! I thought that killed me for a second. Okay, so far so good. No one's here yet. How did it not kill me? I have no clue. But you know what? I don't care. I still survived. Oh no. Oh, I haven't seen one of those in ages. No. Ah. Okay, yeah, I can't touch those. There we go. Okay. Oh. Haven't had one of these in a while. Oh, I gotta redo that again. That sucks. Huh. He's got the touch. You got me on there. I don't know who that guy is. That's so unfair. How do I... Now that is full trick. And you... Neon Avenger, light up any room she's in. I have no idea. The power of a rubber ducky. And the power of me being blind because I didn't see that. What is he pouring out? Grape juice? Whatever it is, it works. Oh, boy. Gotcha. Electric Vigilante, from courier to conduct. You got me there. I got no idea who that is either. Oh, he runs out? Oh no. Okay, this might be a problem. I immediately gotta run over them. Or not. I'm so glad I didn't have to. Nice. Now we're closer, and now we can get there faster. Thank God. The world's strongest rubber ducky. Oh. Whoa. That was anticlimactic. Eh, whatever. See you all there. Awesome. Nice. We got just enough for 250. And we got some more puzzle pieces. But we're going to continue this tomorrow because I've got to get busy now and I got to get going. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Your choice on mine. I will see you all next time. We're so much closer.